In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a web page as a PDF using your browser's print feature. This is a handy skill that comes in useful when you need to keep a permanent, easy to access copy of any online content, whether it's for offline reading, archiving important information, or sharing with others. Let's dive right in and explore this process step by step. To get started, open the web page you wish to save in your preferred browser. Make sure that all the content you need is fully loaded and visible on the page. Sometimes websites have elements that load on demand, so a quick scroll from top to bottom can ensure everything is displayed. Once you're sure everything is good to go, head to the browser menu. In most browsers like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, you can find the menu button at the top right corner, often represented by three dots or horizontal lines. Click on this menu button, which will reveal a drop-down list of options. From there, select the Print option. This action will open the Print dialog box. Now, this print setting is a powerful tool that not only allows you to print physical copies, but also offers print to PDF functionality. In the Print dialog, you'll need to look for the destination or printer option. Click on the current printer's name, and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, select the option that says Save as PDF. This setting effectively changes your output method from a physical printer to a digital file format. Before saving your PDF, you might want to adjust some additional settings to optimize your document. Check the layout option to decide if portrait or landscape mode suits your needs better. Depending on the page's content layout, make sure to review the pages section and choose all to save everything, or specify a range if you only need parts of the web page. Moreover, some browsers allow you to adjust margins, scaling, and background graphics, so feel free to customize these settings according to your preference. You might want to include background images if they add significant value to the content. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click the Save button, and the browser will prompt you to choose a location on your computer where you'd like to save the PDF file. Navigate to your desired folder, give your file a meaningful name that you can easily recognize later, and hit Save. And there you go! You've successfully saved a web page as a PDF using the browser's print function. This PDF can now be accessed anytime from your computer, shared via email, or sent to your cloud storage. Remember, this method is versatile and works across various browsers and operating systems. It's a fantastic way to preserve information, ensuring that you have access to vital content even when offline. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to